Thanks for waiting. Alright, hello, hi. I'm back. I've already been here today. That's why my mailbox is empty. Crazy, isn't it? I'm pretty confident that I don't need this, but like, let's just... Yeah, okay, we don't. Got it. Alright, yeah. So I showed up earlier today. We got our stamped card stamped. It's now twice. So 2 down, 12 to go. Super fun. Love that for me. Really happy about that. Yep. Okay, I didn't check this stuff just because I didn't feel like it. Denim shirt, honestly? Denim shirt is new. I thought so. Now, I completely forgot, like, up on Wednesday, up until either when I, like, went to sleep or some other time. I don't remember when, but up until then, I was like, oh, wait a minute. I can't sell on Thursday. So I have to probably sell my turnips tomorrow or at another point. Okay, so yeah, the raffle, you're just blocked from the second floor. You can't go. Now, is that Mario or Luigi? Okay, now let's just, denim shirt. That's actually huge. Another shirt. Okay, what do we have here? That looks like Excite Bike to me. So I have Excite Bike. I have an ivory piano. And this is a true... Wait a minute. Tom, my guy. Why are you doing this to me? Okay, this is gonna be even faster than I thought it was gonna be, apparently, because, like, I'm cooked. I'm just cooked. Okay, I'm gonna just, like, use the spreadsheet, my copy of the master sheet, to just look at the items. Okay, hold on a sec. Yes, I really can't tell the picture off the spreadsheet, but I mean, that's obviously Excite Bike. And that's obviously an ivory piano. And the Luigi trophy's silver, and the Mario one's gold. So, congratulations. I don't need anything. Yahoo! Big chance, it says. I loaded the wrong character. Oops.
Nintendo.
Wait a minute, Red's here too. Oh my gosh, wow, I am just not on top of things right now. Wait, is Red here today or not? Yeah, he should be here today, so I'm back to my first character. Oops.
Nintendo.
An unfortunate acre I ran past without realizing. Okay, so I think this is the only red item, but we do need it. Well, that brings us down to 37 red items needed, so that's cool. I mean, I'll take one. No raffle items is kind of unfortunate, but at least we got something from red. Also, I feel like we've had this happen before, where it's red and a raffle lined up on the same day. But yeah, I am bummed about the raffle. Like, there's still 12 items I need, and I didn't get any, which isn't great. Okay, Katrina's gonna show up next. Really? Katrina, red Katrina. Interesting. I wonder if she'll give me anything that time. A redemption and a raffle item, maybe? Maybe. Alright, well, I'm wrapping up now. So I did switch to my third character just to put the tickets away so I don't have to think about that tomorrow. Chances are I will sell the turnips tomorrow regardless of what happens. So I figure I can save a little bit of time and not have to think about it. Anyway, I got a new shirt from the dump. That's pretty cool, the denim shirt. And we got one new red item from red. So there's only 3 more summer shirts we need. And we need 37 more things from red. And Katrina will be here on Saturday night, so I guess I could probably get that. And then maybe get at least one fortune on Sunday, but we'll see. Anyway, I'll be back tomorrow. We'll do it's August 1st, so maybe I'll catch something new. We'll check out the store, deal with the turnips. And yeah, I think that's about it. Anyway, I'm out. See you tomorrow. Bye.